Hey everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we are going to be talking about stickers. I know it's a little different from my usual video, but some of you know that I am an 80s sticker enthusiast. I was especially in love with the scratch and sniff stickers of the 80s. One of the things I loved about them was that they were on matte paper, not glossy, so you really got that texture and scent. It just was better. And they haven't made them that way for a long time, but something exciting has happened and I had to share it. I am partnering with Trend to tell you guys about these new stickers that they have come out with. And by new, I mean old, because these are retro stickers. And yes, they are printed on matte paper. So they have that texture, they hold their scent really well. It's pretty cool, guys. So just so you know, these are the Retro Stinky Stickers, and they are available now from Trend. I will put the link below for you. This is the initial launch, so they're going to actually be making more of these. And right now they've got 24 Retro Scratch and Sniff Stinky Stickers, and they are all in nostalgic designs and scents from the 80s. So you'll probably see some of your favorites if you were a child of the 80s like me. And these are actually printed with, let me show you really quickly, a little star so you can distinguish them from the actual vintage stickers, which I will show you one here. I don't know if I've got the root beer readily available. Yes, I do. So you can see that the old sticker does not have the star. This one doesn't even actually have the Trend logo on it. I should probably find one that does. Well, I'm gonna have to dig for those. But anyway, you can see that it has a little star on it, so you'll know that these are the newer retro designs and not the actual vintage ones. Because if you're a real nerd like me, you know that you can collect the vintage 80s ones and they've got a little bit of value to them. So, but these are really cool. And in addition to these stickers, they also have 2 albums for collecting. So you can stick on here, you can see it's kind of glossy so that you can probably stick and unstick as desired. How cool is that, guys? So cool. Okay, so I ordered the inaugural collector combo set, which is huge, and it was a little bit pricey, but it was worth it because it comes with all the stickers that they currently have in this retro collection. And then it comes with these cool little papers so you can see which ones you've collected, and then of course the sticker albums. But if you don't want to buy the whole set, they are selling these separately. Okay, you guys, very cool. I'm excited. I wish that you could smell, because I would totally scratch these and let you sniff them right through the camera. They smell, oh, so good, just like the originals. It's awesome. And you guys know I'm a crafter. So I came out with a cool little kit for My Porch Prints, and this is a sticker keeper kit, and it's got kind of a cool retro 80s design, and it's got some neat little 80s nostalgia to it, some fun little words and things. And you can also use this to store your stickers if you want to. And then this also comes with a few sentiments and funny little words from the 80s, and then it's got this happy birthday, so you could cut this out and make it into a little birthday card for another 80s child and share some stickers and some happy birthday sentiments if you want to. Otherwise, you can just use it as a sticker keeper, and you can stick your cool stickers in here if you want to. Awesome. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Definitely go over to Trend and check out these new stickers, new retro stickers. You will not be disappointed. They are very cool. They smell awesome. I love the matte print, and guys, I couldn't be happier. So if you love scratch and sniff stickers, or even if you know you've got grandkids or kids that might like these, I say go for it, because they are so much fun. And in a world that's very digital, there's something tactile, there's something that engages your senses. So just really fun, neat stuff. So check out those links down below, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.